What's up guys? Welcome to Sip9 and in this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on consecutive integers or consecutive numbers, no? So sa previous video pinag-usapan natin yung consecutive numbers o consecutive integers, at dito pag-uusapan naman natin yung consecutive even integers. So anong pagkakaiba niya dun sa consecutive integers lang, no? So pag consecutive, ibig sabihin magkasunod, di ba? So, pag consecutive integers, consecutive integers o numbers, ano lang siya? So, yan yung halimbawa 4, 5, 6, 7. Magkakasunod siya, di ba? However, kung consecutive even integers, so yan naman yung 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So pag 4 tayo nagsimula, ano ang 6 in relation to 4, di ba? So this is 4 plus 2. Tapos yung 8, 4 plus 4. No? Tapos yung 10 is 4 plus 6. So nagdagdag tayo ng 2, 4, tsaka 6. Okay? Which is the same pag sinolve natin itong problem na to. So the sum of two consecutive even integers is 50. What is the larger integer? So for number 9, pag x yung ating smaller integer, ano yung susunod natin? Ano yung idadagdag natin? Pag x mo ay 4, ano susunod? X plus 2. Di ba? Nagdagdag tayong dalawa. Yun yung ating this is the larger integer. Okay? Tapos pag inad natin sila, magiging x plus 2 equals, pag inad natin, ano magiging sum nila? Magiging 50. Di ba? So this is equal to 50. So x plus x is just 2x. And then I have a plus 2 here. This is equal to 50. Okay, gusto natin tanggalin lahat ng mga numbers dito, no? Para x na lang matira. So, unang tatanggalin natin ay yung plus 2, which is that matatanggal natin by subtracting 2. And then we also subtract 2 from the right-hand side, no? So, pag equation, syempre, whatever we do on the left-hand side, we also do on the right-hand side, no? Kaya nag-minus 2 tayo dito, minus 2 tayo dito. So, matitira na lang is 2x because 2 minus 2 is 0. And yung nasa kanan naman ay 48. So, dividing both sides by 2 gives us x equals, what is 48 divided by 2? 24. So, meaning, yung smaller integer natin ay 24. At yung larger integer natin ay 24 plus 2. Kasi yung x natin is 24. So, 24 plus 2, this is 26. Magkasunod ba sila na even? Yes, correct. Ang sum nila ay 50? Yes, correct. 24 plus 26 is 50. Okay? Let's have another example. Tignan natin yung number 10. So, yung number 10, tatlo naman siya. So, ibig sabihin, yung x naman natin ay yung unang integer pa rin, yung pinakamaliit. By the way, ang sagot natin dito, ang tinatanong is larger, di ba? So, ang sagot natin ay 26. Okay, so for number 10, we have 3 integers, consecutive even, x, syempre x plus 2, tsaka x plus 4. Nagdadagdag ng dalawa palagi. So this is the first, this is the second, first or smaller, and this is the third integer. Okay, so this is, of course, we know that the first is the smallest. Okay, so paano natin yan? Add pa rin kasi we're talking about the sum, no? Sum of the 3. So meaning, we add the 3x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4. So, ilang x? That's Ano sa pala muna nila? 84. So, tatlong x. Tapos meron kang plus 2 tsaka plus 4. That's plus 6 plus 84. Okay, equation na tayo. So we subtract 6 from both sides para matanggal natin itong 6 na to. So 3x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 84 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0, meaning 3x equals, what is 84 minus 6? 78, di ba? And x equals, what is 78? 78 divided by 3. So that's 2, that's 6, 18. 26. 26 yung x natin. Meaning that's the smallest integer. So 26, 28 kasi plus 2, and then 26 plus 4 is 30. Consecutive ba sila? Yes. Kasama nila 84. Tignan natin. So 26 plus 28 plus 30. Dapat 84 siya. So 14, carry 1. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. So 84. This is correct. Okay, so ibig sabihin tama tayo, no? So, yeah. I think that's it for this tutorial. Invite ko kayo sa ating website, zipnayan.com, na nandiyan yung ating mga listahan. Tignan nyo yung quick links to YouTube. Doon lahat ang mga list ng mga tutorials natin.